Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayesha Rehman and I'm here in Germany, basically in Göttingen. This video is actually for the intercultural cooking event जिसमें different nationalities के लोग होंगे जो कि अपनी traditional food, अपनी country की traditional food वो लोग बनाएंगे और सब लोग फिर मिलके उसे खाएंगे। अभी हम चलते हैं अंदर। बेसिकली इस बिल्डिंग में इवेंट होगा, मैं आपको वहाँ पे लेके चलती हूँ और फिर हम उनके ऑर्गेनाइज़र से भी बात करेंगे। दे विल टेल अस बेसिकली अबाउट दिस इवेंट। इट विल हैपन देयर। काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग होंगे आई होप। और अभी मैं आपको पहले हम किचन से गुजरते हैं और फिर उनके पास जाएंगे। सो आई गेस यहाँ पे होगी कुकिंग on the space.
Also Turkish dessert. We make it from pastry, cheese, butter, lemon, and that's sugar. That's it.
Amazing sugar. So I'm Daniel from Vietnam. I'm gonna cook chicken rice with Vietnamese style and a salad or side dish to eat together, because in our food is always vegetable and meat and rice go together, so it balance. It's not really something like a lot of meat or a lot of vegetables. So yeah, so I hope you can see the differences between chicken rice with Vietnamese style and other countries' style.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello everyone. So I'm gonna make ugali with onion fritters. We call that onion bhaji or pakodi in India. That used to be something my mother used to cook. That's very close to my heart, and I want to recreate that.
Thank you. That's very nice.
Thank you.
I guess it's me next. So I'll be cooking Indian dish called Shahi Paneer. It's basically North Indian, but it's been very long that I have actually, tried my hand on this particular dish because you do not get the ingredients so well. So I thought of preparing this. The name basically resonates from a Mughal cuisine, but it is primarily a North Indian dish, so I guess it will be good. And it's supposed to be a little spicy, not very little spicy. I couldn't find the proper spices in Aliman, so I was thinking, okay, the German people have the upper hand. They won't, try. But I found some of the leftover spices at home, so I got them. So yeah, it won't be that spicy, but it's a good one.
I will be filling dates with peanut butter and cover them in chocolate, and then roll them in coconut sprinkles as a dessert or snack. By the way, I'm the vegan problem child, so thanks everyone for doing vegan dishes.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Would you like to introduce yourself a little bit?
Sure. My name is Mariam. I'm originally from Pakistan, and I'm doing my Erasmus Masters in Göttingen. Nice to meet you.
So from where you are, like in Pakistan?
I was born in Peshawar, but I lived all over the country, and currently my parents live in Islamabad, which is the capital.
Oh yeah, we are also from Pakistan.
Oh, where?
I'm from Bahawalpur.
Okay.
Yeah, and she's from Lahore.
I'm from Lahore.
I'm from Kastamar.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
What are your names?
Aisha.
Zishan.
Fariha.
So we 4 Pakistanis are here.
No problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Before starting, we can actually distribute some responsibilities for each room so that we can keep each area clean. What do you think, Jacqueline?
Yes,
Would you like to say something to it?
yes, we just thought that it would be easier to organize this before the event, because if not, it will be much stuff that's laying around, and yes. So I don't know. Do we have a?
We have a board over there, but I also have a book.
Yes.
Excuse me. So what you guys are making?
We're making the Thai salad.
What?
The Thailand.
Oh, okay.
Salad from Thailand. It's made out of lettuce, carrots,
red cabbage and a lot of grapefruits.
Oh, like
They're
it's
still there.
salad, something like
Yeah,
salad.
it's a salad. Yeah,
Oh,
it's very
okay.
fresh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, you need to introduce your dish.
So this is called kunafa.
Okay.
It's a Middle Eastern and Turkish dessert,
Okay.
and it's made with this pastry,
Okay.
cheese,
So it's cheese.
This is cheese.
Okay.
That's like pastry.
Uh-huh. So
don't think
you'll
it'll be
add
enough
sugar in it as well?
In the syrup, yes. So now I
Syrup?
will layer it. Yeah.
Okay.
When
You
close I don't think we have enough cheese.
I guess it's enough. So now we'll bake it?
No, not yet. Close it.
Oh, okay. I hope it will taste good.
It tastes good usually.
बकवास बंद करो.
Okay.
Yeah. So now it's all done. You need to eat mozzarella in it, and after that,
Put another layer and then close it.
okay, we'll put another layer as well. What are you cooking?
Huh?
What are you cooking?
I'm filling ginger, onions, and garlic later because I need to make the spice for my chicken.
Okay, so what's the name of your dish basically?
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice.
With salad in Vietnamese style.
Oh, okay. I hope it'll taste so good.
Thank you. I hope so too. You should try it.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Does anyone need peeled onions? I peeled some. I think 3
So,
extra I have.
what are the ingredients of your recipe basically?
Besan,
Okay,
onions,
okay.
murmura.
Murmura. What is murmura?
यहाँ पे where is that?
That one is not sharp as we. Then
Okay, so like your dish name is pakoda, onion pakodas.
Yeah, it's over there.
I need a sharp one.
Oh, okay.
Is this sharp?
So now I'll come here. So what are you cooking?
I'm cooking Shahi Paneer, which is an Indian cottage cheese dish. And it primarily consists of a puree, which is to be made from these tomatoes and onions. After cooking them slowly in the pan, we will be putting them in the mixer. So that's how the puree gets made.
Okay.
And we would be putting the cottage cheese into the pan as well separately so that it gets fried. And we put the puree on top to mix them together and some cream. So it gets.
So it will be spicy?
Not quite. I mean, it is supposed to be a bit spicy, not too much, so that you.
For Germans, it will be so much, I guess.
Let's see. I mean, we'll get to know after some time.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So, what about you? What's your name?
Yeah, and then I can sharpen the
Sophia.
Yeah.
So you're helping him, or you're cooking something different?
So until now I'm cutting tomatoes and onions.
Oh, so are you enjoying? That's good. Okay.
So you need to try.
Is it like a Vietnamese dish?
Vietnamese chicken rice. What is this called?
Pakoda?
Interior.
So, do you like this?
It's very good.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
what is it made of?
No, not souvenirs.
These
like
are like them.
I just know about cheese. No, cheese is just in it.
inside it.
Yeah, cheese inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And what is, I mean, the little...
These are.
We need to ask from Hajar. Hajar, what is this?
Do you know what song they're playing? ما حبيبي ماله.
مال حبيبي مال. ايش اسمها اللي الشاعرات هي بتسألك؟
What?
You cook
What?
it. You cook it.
She said, I don't know.
Ich weiß nicht. Ja.
Okay, ist das halt over actually?
Do I need to ask you?
Maybe shift this
Actually, when she says 2 minutes, I think she meant 6, 7.
Okay then.
अपने ही गिराते हैं निशे में डब्बे चलेंगे अपने ही गिराते हैं निशे में डब्बे चलेंगे
देखो ना
पहले सारा बनने दो
My way. It's fine. See, Nicholas is taking one plate, I'm taking the other plate.
Okay, I will
take the third plate.
again.
مع زقوق زي ما أنا مع
It's already cooked?
I guess so. What is that in the last?
Kunafa.
I don't know.
Oh.
No, it's not called I don't know. Just
And this is syrup?
yeah.